Yeah, sorry for the shaking, I'm really zoomed in here. As I suspected, switching tracks. Ah, there's nothing like trains at dusk. Smooth beauty of them all. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, you're going out of focus. God damn the timing, I just got here. Amazing. You see you 50H Schwinn, you're already bringing me good luck. New paint there. Oh, it's a Via. Via! I'd like to ride in those Renaissance cars one day, even though I heard they're shit. I heard they're quite... Because when you're visually, when you lack in a sense like I do. Oh yeah, there you go, the old backing up trick, yeah. I'm sure that's it. Yeah. It's a Via. Watch out, Corey, don't get in the shot. Oh, he's rolling. Woo! He's gone. Gone, baby, gone.
I try to say something, you walk away when I try to say something.
I'm sorry, I'm focused. I'm dedicated to my craft, baby. Good old butt cars. They're supposed to be rebuilt. Why? Because they're classics. They're worth rebuilding. And the LRCs are also classics, but they were not as well made. Son of a bitch, there's the Via. God damn it. God damn it. I was just there. I should have checked the signals, for Christ's sake. Oh well, better than nothing. Yeah. That train is coming from far away, man, with them bud cars coming from almost northern Quebec. How do you like that? With the non-scrap in the mix. Actually, it's not a bad shot, actually. I knew it was a veer from the moment I heard those EMDs. Holy fuck, is he stopping? He's stopping. See, there's two locomotives because it joins up as two trains make into one. Oh, well, he stopped there. He doesn't have the signal to clear. Wow. Far out. Far out, baby. Yeah. Matter of fact. Nice, eh? Classic bud cars. Actually, those are the oldest ones in the fleet. Those, I believe, are from like 47. Yeah, and on the landing path for the airport as well.